Because it looks like they're hiding out.
Not really.
Hey Mo, how you like it?
Hey, you're recording me.
Hey, I am. Slow down, slow down. Woo, woo. Good job.
Hey.
Hey Mo. You're doing awesome.
I know. Wait,
Look at me.
what's that?
What's
Is
that?
that a family graveyard?
Yes.
We should have that.
Should we?
We should.
You're doing an awesome job.
That's really pretty.
When you getting your license?
When I'm 16, because I'm going to pass the driving test. Dead bird. Oh, that's a leaf. Never mind. I could get my license right now.
Oh, could you?
I really could.
Really? Do you know your hand signals?
Oh. See? Look at nice bear tree. See, look at